I'm Btول from Morocco. Currently, I'm a foreign expertise working at Wisdom House International Culture Communication Group, mainly engaged in book translation, film translation, and international communication, etc. As a foreign expertise, with working and living in Asia for more than 4 years, I translated and worked on a lot of good and useful Chinese books and videos to tell good stories and allow Arabic world to learn from Chinese wisdom. I also participated in teaching the Chinese language to the Arabic world. Personally, I see and I believe learning Chinese language is a great tool to understand China, Chinese culture and Chinese people. Recently, I was assisting my colleagues in the company to broadcast the Arabic version of Millingtown or Shanghai scene to the Arab national TV stations so that Arab audiences can understand the great story of poverty alleviation in China. As a translator, it is a great honor for me to be engaged in the dissemination of China Arab culture. I will continue to commit myself to translate more excellent Chinese books into Arabic and promoting them to Arab countries, including Morocco, to play a positive role in strengthening China-Arab culture exchanges and deepening China-Arab traditional friendship.